Good afternoon, everyone. So, while representing Sri Lanka Museum, this is one of the e-heritage initiatives from ICT Agency Sri Lanka, and I'm Rushani Aproso, and this is Dasun Heguru from the ICTA. Okay, so let me start with the question itself. So, what made us develop this Sri Lanka Museums application? So as we all aware, museums protects heritage, culture, and also the history of any country. So it also helps students to get more abstract form of what they learn in school, and also one of the good source for researchers, and also it helps to one of the tourist attractions. So it helps to boost economy of any country. And also with the current context, museums have started competing with other industries to retain its visitors, mainly because there are more choices for leisure activities and also easy access to information with the penetration of internet and also smartphones. So what we identified was that there's a significant transformation needed to go away from the static or the traditional way of presenting exhibits with adding more creative element along with the technical advancements. The smartphone could be the ticket for the next generation in seeing the history of the culture of any museum. So these are the core functionalities that we have included in the application. So let me start with the core functions. The first, or the core itself, is the content module that we have depicted in 3 languages: Sinhala, English, and also in Tamil. So it contains artifact descriptions including the historical background and many other related information with high-res images, text content, and also we have included audio commentary so that the people will get more interactive, and to increase the user engagement. And the indoor positioning system itself will help the users to locate their position inside the museum itself and route their journey accordingly. Social connect and sharing is obvious because we have integrated some of social networking sites so that the users can share the experiences or the content with their friends and colleagues. Geolocation based AR. So what we do here is that the user has to just open the AR viewer and spin around so they can see what are the museums or the artifacts, important artifacts, and the distance to it. So they get the chance to directly go and view them without roaming around. And finally, how do we upload content? The files, maybe text, audio, images to this. So basically we have a web portal where we upload content from the back end and it is dynamically pushed to the front end to the mobile application. So all the authorized personnel have the ability to modify and add content to this. So let me go through a short video of the mobile application. Dasun to talk about the methodology and how the technologies that we use.
Thank you, Johnny. I guess I have less than 1 minute, so I'll rush through. So the target audience is, as you can see, local and foreign visitors, visually impaired individuals and students and so forth. So basically, we have more than 1,000 exhibits covered, more than 1,000 artifacts and many more in line. One of the key features is, let's assume you are going to a museum and you have an connectivity issue. So we have provided an offline mode so you can afford interrupt your user experience. So let me quickly dive into the methodology we follow to develop this application. So basically we follow the agile methodology. Within that iteration we requirement gathering and design development, and we moved into a QA aspect, then we deployed after Google App Store. One last thing, this is a technology that we use. For the backend, we use MySQL as the database. On top of that, we use Laravel. And there's the API layer where the mobile application needs to get connected to the front end. Front end, we have Android SDK on top of Java. And we have used 2 open source libraries. So, thank you very much. I would like to answer any questions if you have. Sorry, I took a little bit of extra time.
We do questions at the end of 4 presentations.
Okay. Then thank you very much.